Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'll show you how to manage heart rate settings on your XIAOMI Smart Band 10. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to the fitness and health section in the Mi Fitness app where your band is connected. Now go to heart rate, and right here you will guys see the continuous monitoring, high heart rate and low heart rate. So I recommend you guys enabling the high heart rate, and here setting it up to 150. If you're a sports guy and you know that 150 is normal for you while running or working out, then do not use that, but a low heart rate you guys can set it up to, let's say, 45 or 40. And here we have the continuous monitoring, so here you can use either the smart option or every 30 minutes, but it can affect your battery life by much, so I don't recommend using that. I recommend using the smart one, and that'd be it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.